Hello, hello, hello. Imagination. When you're performing, you need imagination in order to really sink in to the meaning of the song. So now when you're backstage, some of my students, they think of maybe there's a song that you need to be a little bit more aggressive with. Okay, you well up with aggression. Maybe you think of somebody hurting your brother, your little brother, okay? Or your sister. And I have one fella, he was doing a song and he was getting tense with it. What did he think about? The thing that makes him happy, ice cream. He thought if ice cream came on stage and he did Great Balls of Fire, and he did it great. He relaxed and just enjoyed playing. So if you're on stage and you start to lose your center and not be able to really feel the song, go back to your imagination. What is it that brings you out in that song? It could be romance. It could be somebody you were in love with. It could be somebody that broke up with you. But whatever it is that you need, bring that imagination to your performance. Woo! You're going to nail it. Okay. See ya. It is such a day, yeah. Such a matter of fact.